Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Create a restore point and sign in with an administrator account. Next, open Task Manager and locate the service host process that's consuming resources. Once you see it, right-click and choose Go to Details or use Task Manager's Services tab to map the PID to a service name. Make sure to note the exact service display name and service name. This avoids disabling the wrong component. Now proceed to target that single service in Services, MSC, to stop it. Once you've mapped the PID to the exact service, pause and evaluate dependencies. Some services host multiple functions. Use tasklist/svc or procexp to confirm which service binary is tied to the service host process. If safe, stop the service with scstop service name to test impact. If tests are good, change startup using scconfig service name, start equals disabled or set manual in services. MSC. Remember why? Disabling reduces unwanted resource use, but can break features, so be conservative. After making a change, restart to confirm behavior and monitor for missing functionality. If a problem appears, immediately re-enable the service. scconfig service name, start equals auto and reboot, or set it to manual if you need on-demand behavior. If the system won't boot or core features fail, boot to safe mode and restore the previous configuration, or use the system restore point you created. One troubleshooting tip. If you can't identify the culprit, revert changes and test one service at a time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.